How to close your location on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to close your location on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Now all you need to do is click on edit, and you're gonna find the option number 6, which is location. Click on it. Now do you want to show your location in profile? You can click on close to close your location and click on save. Once you go back to your profile, you're gonna find out that your location information has disappeared, and no one now on your followers or users, like users, will know your location. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.